because that one got given to Baylor. So I just got another one from Dollar General to open it. So it's the exact same, but cleaner. Yeah. Now we both have one. But yeah, bye.